Hey y'all, thanks for stopping in. Appreciate you taking time out of y'all's busy schedule. Stop in and see what it is I'm up to. Uh, Pomegranate cranberry juice. I cut it about a third with water and ice. Um, it's good for you. Doesn't taste bad either. Why are we here? Well, I ordered something on Amazon, and part of it's probably going in here if this is what I think it needs to be. I think this is what it is. So, on with the show. I guess I can bring it down a little bit, show me actually opening the box. Oh, typical Amazon. I got bags of air. I love bagged air. Not really. Oh, okay. One thing I realized when I needed it the most was the charging cord that I had wasn't very long. I got two of them. One's 10 foot and one's 6 foot. I'm not sure how long the one in this kit is, but when you're in one of those small cubicles in the emergency room, or even upstairs in one of the rooms, their outlets aren't set up for visitors' use. So it could be like almost on the other side of the room. See, I'm not sure how long that is. Maybe 4 feet, 4.5 feet. It's not very good. This one's 10 feet. So, hoping I can get it compacted down enough to fit in this little bag. That should work like that. Whoops. Whoopsie, whoopsie, whoopsie. Come on, get in there. Ah. You two, get in there. It's gonna fit. I know you're gonna fit. Ain't that big. There we go. Now I am set. I actually have one of these longer cords set up by the bed for my tablet that I watch YouTube on at night. Just gives me more room to move around and whatnot. Now I have a spare. This one I believe is 6 feet and a fairly decent little bag. That'll go into another kit. Now, one thing that Hurricane Irma taught me was regular battery pack type things don't really work. I've had this in my wish list on Amazon for a long time. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was, but the price kept going up and down, and I kept going like, I can't really justify spending that. And then I was on the other day and I realized that this was down to $15. I was ordering these things. And I realized I had a credit. Like $28 or something, $29. Almost $29 worth of credit. I wasn't exactly sure why. But, oh, there's a little dealio that goes with it. Okay. But I wasn't going to question it. I'm sure I returned something a while ago and just never really thought about the credit being on there. But it was like, you want to apply your credit? I was like, how much credit do I have? Oh my. And then I was like, I want that little solar charger thingy. So hopefully this will be enough to charge up my phone or my tablet, or my phone and my tablet, or whatever, and be able to leave it in the sun. Some parts of the country, solar, you know, in the wintertime and whatnot, solar isn't all that great. I live in Florida. We have decent solar 98% of the time. So I'm gonna have to see about reading these. Hopefully they're not in Chinese or Chinese speak. Okay, I can check it by pressing something on there. I need a different pair of glasses, or second pair of glasses, or something. But I'll probably end up having to charge it. It is what it is. Oh. So, that's what I found as I started out with my coffee this morning. I wasn't expecting delivery that early. Of course, I wasn't expecting to be up this early. It's not even, it's just a little after 11. And I've already been up for 2 hours. Unbelievable for me, but that's the way it goes sometimes. And I have to be up early to go to the doctors tomorrow, and later in the week to go do a food haul, so it's all good. Anyway, let me know what you think, folks. Give me a thumbs down or a thumbs up. Leave me a comment wherever it is you happen to leave comments on your internet access device of choice. If you'd like to share me around on your social media, that'd be cool. I'm up to like 360 subscribers. That's unbelievable. Yeah, this doesn't have a name or anything on it that I can see. Solar charger. I think it has an LED torch light. Double click something. I can't read it. Anyway, if you want to check out my Facebook, the link is down below. I don't know that I'm much different on Facebook than I am here. I do some crazy postings and whatnot. Most of my I do a lot to a private family page. Most of what is on my public page is just random stuff that crosses my feed that I find entertaining. I don't care whether it's truthful or not. If I think it's funny, I share it. So if you'd like to send me snail mail, the address is down below. I love getting snail mail. Stop saying doc. Ouch. If your loved ones are nearby, give them a kiss and a hug. Kick them in the butt, something. Just let them know you love them. If they're not nearby, give them a call. Phone call. Yeah. Hit them up on Facebook. Send them an email. Send them a postcard. Just let them know you're thinking about them, that you love them. We're not promised tomorrow. We're not promised the next minute. Until I see y'all again, you have a great day. Sláinte, y'all. Bye-bye.